Found some pampas, a basket for those pretty flowers. How cute are these little blue loafers? Cute, cute, cute. We just checked into the Wigwam resort where we will be for the weekend. We are doing a little staycation. This is about an hour away from where we live in Chandler. And we are going to be just having kind of like a little relaxing getaway. I'll be going to the spa tomorrow. We are going to hang out at our cabana tomorrow. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. I'm all dressed already because we are going to go out for dinner, but I wanted to quickly show you guys the room. Sage and Andrew are playing outside, so let me give you guys a quick tour. Okay, so we have a pool suite. This is the living room area. That's the cot for Sage. We have the dining room area here, dining in like a little office desk space. Wigwam. And let's see, over here we have the bedroom. I also turned off the TVs, but there's one in the living room and one in the bedroom. And here is the bathroom. So definitely a very Southwestern style hotel because we are in Arizona, of course. Little closet over here. And that's the space. Do they have a full-length mirror? Not seeing one, but I'm just wearing this little black Saison dress with these little sandals from Lifestride, and we will be going out to dinner, which I'm very excited about. Found the full-length mirror, so here is a look at my outfit. Just let my hair down. Now I'm gonna go get Andrew and Sage so we can head to dinner. No, he figured it out. You're too smart, Sage. Too smart. Daddy's getting the bags and then we're going to dinner. Good, because we're starving, huh, Sage? Are those pretty flowers?
So you walked all the way over here?
Yeah, we did.
Butter jelly burger.
A little surprise. A little after dinner surprise. Speranza Lorena. Charcuterie board and a Chardonnay. Found some pampas, a basket, and some fabric. These will probably work pretty well for the altar and maybe some of the tables. It was good. There's ketchup too. Ooh, those pancakes look good over there. So I am heading to my massage right now at the Le Mans Day Spa, I believe is what it's called. Andrew and Sage are napping. We went thrifting this morning, ordered a room service brunch, and I am very excited for this massage, you guys. I have had like a lot of tension in my body just from like all of the stress with wedding planning and everything. So I'm very excited for a relaxing massage and to unwind a little bit. Oh, uh-oh. Yum, yum. Yeah. Good, huh? Okay, so we are back home now. It's been a few days since our stay at the Wigwam, which is in Litchfield Park, basically the opposite side of Phoenix than where we live. So it was about an hour away, and we were actually able to do some thrifting at a few Goodwill locations in that part of Phoenix. And luckily we found some really great stuff for our wedding. And I also found a ton of great pieces for Sage. So I wanted to share a haul of that with you guys in this video as well. So first up, we found, oh my gosh, it's really heavy, you guys, it's crazy. It's this ceramic pot from IKEA, believe it or not, but this is like a vase that works very well with the decor that we're doing for our wedding. This was $3.50, and it had this little like olive branch in it. So I just kind of like left it as is for now, but we'll be putting our wedding florals in it. So I'm gonna just put this back here for now. So that, and then we also found this gorgeous basket. This is gonna be the basket for our flower girl. We literally have like 6 different baskets now because we just kept kind of picking them up. But this basket we love like the most. So this was $5.49. So definitely a little bit spendier than the other ones, but it makes sense because it's like this really unique, cool, really sturdy basket with that like bohemian vibe. So this is going to be the flower girl basket for sure. We also picked up this water pitcher. It's a little bit greasy, so for sure we'll have to wash it. This was only $1.50, so pretty good price. We found this fabric in just like the raw materials, raw fabric section. So it's a really good size, like white. It's not hemmed, it has like a raw edge to it. Fabric in a white, it's not linen, I'm not sure like what this material is, but it's kind of like thinner. So this material we'll use at the altar. Basically we have a few options. So here's this one, which is white. And then we picked up 2 pieces of material. I think these are the same thing, but this is like a smaller piece and this is a much bigger piece. So the smaller piece we might use for like the dessert table or the welcome table. We kind of have to see what it works for. And then the longer one we would use at the altar as well, because we have like this DIY floral piece for the top of the arch, but then we're gonna kind of like swag fabric on either side of the altar, and then we'll have like pots with beautiful like dried florals and stuff. So now we basically have like a few options for that. So we'll just have to see like what works best the day before when we're decorating. But this larger piece was $6.50, and then the smaller piece was $4.50. So we have that material, which is kind of like a not crochet, what is this called? Anyway, it just kind of has the look that we were going for, kind of like a vintagey, almost like a lace. But anyway, it's kind of just like this floral lace that has a vintage look to it, which was kind of what we were going for. So that'll be pretty. Another fabric option, basically. And then we found this, which was also in the raw fabric section at a different Goodwill, but it's this beautiful like rusty terracotta color, which is part of the color scheme that we're going for our wedding. I'm trying to find the tag. This is actually a really, really big piece of fabric. So this was $8.50. So 3 options, plus we have a crochet table cloth that we thrifted before. So we've got several options as far as if we want to swag the altar or to use on like the food table or the welcome table or the dessert table, basically. Another pitcher that we picked up at a different Goodwill location. This one was $5.50. So now we have 3 water pitchers, which we think is going to be enough for the surfers to go and like refill waters. And then we picked up this gold picture frame, which we'll put a photo of Andrew and Sage and I for the welcome table. So this was only $1. Super, super good finds. I also found this cute little basket purse for myself. I used to have one that was similar that I think I might have left behind in Pittsburgh or Washington or something. I honestly can't even remember with all my moves, but picked this up, which I thought would be cute for our honeymoon in Italy or just wearing here, basically in Arizona. Just like a cute little purse to dress up an outfit, throw things in. It's a decent size. It was in good condition. And this was $5.50. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so that was everything that we picked up for our wedding decor wise. And then here is what I thrifted for Sage. So this was a pair of corduroy pants, Carter's 2T. He's actually had these before, but in like 12-month size or something. So we figured these would be cute for Italy. Little brown corduroy pants. Sorry guys, I always forget to say how much the clothes are. So this was $1.79. The Goodwills over there actually had like really good prices, I would say. So that was nice. This was $1.79. Just like a cute little thermal, kind of like in a mauve-y color. Cute. This is a size 2T, Cat and Jack, perfect for Italy. And another little sweater. This one was from Modern Moments, 18 months. Gerber is the brand. And we actually tried this on him because he is 19 months right now, but this actually still fit him really well and had a little bit of room for him to grow into it. So this is a same thing, kind of like a waffle knit thermal in a beige color. We found him another little sweater. This one has a hood. This is a Old Navy 18 to 24 months in kind of this little tan brown color. Very, very cute as well. So a lot of these pieces will be really easy to mix and match, which is great. We picked up this 18 months Carter's button up that we figured would work really well for like the rehearsal dinner for the wedding, just like a little bit dressier option. And then this will probably also work for Italy as well, because he's gonna need some short sleeve things, some long sleeve things, because we'll be going in November. $1.79. That sweater with the hood was $1.79 too. This little Honest baby clothing 2T in an orange color t-shirt, and then I also found another Honest t-shirt in this green color, this like sagey green color. So both of those, and these were $1.79 each. And we picked up this t-shirt, this kind of like waffle knit thermal from H&M, and this is size 2T. He actually wore this when we were at the Wigwam, so I tore the tag off, but it was like $1.79, I believe, in kind of like a watermelon-y green. How cute are these little blue loafers? These are from Olkin. No idea what brand that is, but we thought these would be so cute for Italy, and these should fit him by then. Okay, so another Gerber 12 months tee. This is a just like a white basic tee, and even though it's 12 months, it's a lot bigger size wise. So this to me is more like a 2T, but so that's just another like t-shirt that he can wear here or we can bring to Italy. And then we picked up this for Andrew's nephew Colton, who loves dinosaurs, so it's like a little Jurassic Park tee in this kind of like terracotta brown color from H&M. So we thought that was too cute to not get for him. So that's everything that we thrifted, and like I said, it was kind of cool to be able to thrift in a different area other than where we normally thrift. And we found some like really great things, like a lot of really great pieces for the wedding and a ton of cute clothes for Sage. So it was just nice to have like a few Goodwills, like fresh Goodwills that we haven't been thrifting at like every single week to check out. So that was really fun, in addition to our little staycation at the Wigwam. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm putting out videos like every week. It's been really hard for me to say like, oh, Tuesdays and Thursdays is when I upload. I kind of just have to upload whenever I have the chance, but I've been very, very consistent with putting out like a video every single week, if not two. So make sure that you're subscribed, turn on your bell notifications. That way you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. And also be sure to follow along with me on socials at Thrift Darling, and check out my blog, thriftdarling.com, for more content. Obviously right now I'm sharing a lot of wedding planning content, and then it'll be wedding content, and then after that it'll be like honeymoon travel content in Italy. So if you guys like that kind of thing, definitely be sure to follow along with me on all my other socials and check out my blog as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!